Hi everyone, today I will be showing how we set our bed in the car. So this is the front side where two seats are right now here, and we will be pulling both the seats out and we will be placing our bed.
We don't want to take this out. We just push it and adjust it accordingly. Okay, good. Now all you have to do is put this inside that.
So this is the bed. Nathan is trying to open this and show how the bed looks like. It is in three parts. One portion is the flip over.
Yeah, this is the flip over part.
This sits on top of the seat, and the second portion is the pull out. So this is how big the bed is. These two will get attached with the help of U-bolt to our handle in the car. The bed is inside and he's securing it to the car with the help of the U-bolt. So this is uneven, so he's going to put this uniform platform to make the space even. Now we can place our toilet and other stuff on this. This is the condensed form of the bed, and it will open up and make a full size bed. So we are going to slide
Like this.
it. Just slides like this,
And then this part will go on.
it's like a flap, it just goes on there,
And sits there.
and this makes our
And then
full
on top
bed.
of it we have a 3-inch mattress. Look at this.
This is how the bed looks in the drive mode, where everything is stacked up and harnessed. Thanks for watching.